Hanoi Plaza Suite Hotel is located at Old Quarter neighborhood of Vietnamese capital Hanoi. The hotel is surrounded by Vietnamese eateries, souvenir stalls, local bars, tour booking centers, and clothing shops. I stayed in Deluxe double or twin room with city view. The rooms and all amenities are maintained clean. The staffs are friendly to approach anytime. Hotel also offers local tour arrangements and SPA facilities. In this hotel you can enjoy rooftop dining. A small kitchen is located there to serve food for hotel guests. Daily Western pastries, famous local Vietnamese chicken pho is available. Local seasonal fresh fruits are provided in breakfast menu. It takes 45 minutes by Grab ride to reach Hanoi International Airport from here. Since the roads have busy traffic, you have to arrange accordingly. Hope this video gave an overview of what's available in this hotel. Thank you for watching.